Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you that how can you enable mic in your MacBook. So if you want any particular application to have access of microphone, then you can do the same settings. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open system settings in your Mac, which you can find in dock, or else go and select Apple logo at the top and then select system settings. Also keep one thing in mind that it doesn't matter if you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same for all these devices. Now once you open system settings, all you have to do is just simply go down and look for privacy and security. Once you select that, on the right hand side you get multiple options. Just simply go down and look for microphone. Now you can see there is an option of microphone. Select that particular option, it will take you to the next page, and over here you will get a list of applications which needs microphone access. Now currently you can see for all these applications I have already given the access, but in your case, if any particular application does not have mic access but you want to give it, then all you have to do is just simply turn on the toggle like this, and now it is saying that that particular application will not have access to your microphone until it is quit. So you just have to restart the application if it is already in use, and after that if you have given the access to microphone, then it can access it. Now if you don't want to give microphone access, then you can simply turn it off like this. Now if you have multiple applications, then you can one by one decide whether that app should have the microphone access or not, and based on that you can change the settings. So yes, that's the only thing you have to do in order to give microphone access to any particular application. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.